candidates, welcome to CRT Center. My name is Mary Andrea Del. As a creative assessor for food and beverage service and NC2. It is my ID as a proof of my creation. I would like to acknowledge and present Mr. Charles Jasper Martinez, our Assessment Center Manager. Ms. Angela Marie Martinez, our tester representative from TESDA Provincial Office. Candidates, don't worry about that percents that are here. The average conduct of the competency assessment and check in the conduct in accordance with the present competency assessment methodology and produce that will not assess you. Before we start, I would like to check your attendance. Please the sign here. As I call your name, kind submit your submission slide. Mr. and Mrs. Ian Erling get admission slip compare. Next Mrs. Mr. and Mrs. Joshua Gemalin get the admission slip and compare. Mr. and Mrs. Erling Ian have a notice here that from the different can you give a similar picture. Thank you. I have here your accomplished application with form of the assessment guide. This is the indication of the perform all units of the competency enumerate in the qualification. Today I'm going to administer competency sa assessment for bread and pasta production, NC2, which is composed of basic common and core competencies. The core competencies is prepare dining the restaurant area for service, welcome guests, and take a food of the beverage and orders. Promote for food and beverage products. Provide food and beverage service guests. Provide room service. Receive and handle guest room. Method of statement. To determine knowledge and skill. Attitude for the qualification. And you will pass through written exam demonstration and oral questioning. Tax. Food and average services NC2 has a full qualification where you are required. As a result of your the result of the assessment can either the competently not yet competent. If you had doubt of the result of assessment, you are certified with if you can make appeal, all you have to do is write a letter indicating the name assessor. Name of assessment center, date, assessment center located, however, rest assured that the result of your assessment should be tracked and strict competently in this ensure your integrity. The result will only available for authorized. In regards, this is a request of candidates from the report to giving away any form of information regarding a statement process. Do you have a question? In this center, we have different areas in this room of the writing exam and oral questioning. This outside is a writing area as the end of hallway. In our canteen, you take your lunch break. Next, the comfort room for the demonstration. You are the performed room next to this. Everything clear. Thus and that's was the assessment started. This refer form asking questioning is lower allowed. Some with your cell phone you are not allowed to use during assessment. Just kindly put silent mode and perpabs. Turn it off. Food are also not allowed here inside. The assessment area eating here is strict habit. So any other concern? If you have that, I will give you short break. Please come back for 10 minutes. Okay, welcome back. Candidate, please settle of your seats. I'm going to administer the writing test. Here the questionnaires. Please get a 1. Get 1, pass. Please don't writing anything to the questionnaire here in the questionnaire sheets. Where you should be put your answer, please read instructions. Carefully, everything clear? Okay, you have my start now. Okay, time is up. Now I will assign your number, Sir Leonard Ray. You are candidate number 1. Mrs. Mary Rose, you are candidate number 2. Here are specific instructions. Please read carefully. Do you have a question? If you have none, let's proceed to the demonstrations area. Assign station. Candidate number 1. Assume workstation 1 and the candidate number 2. Here is the workstation number 2. All the tools materials are in your representative workstation. Any question? If you none, you have my start now. Okay, candidate number 1. Okay, your feedback. Candidate number 1, Leonard Ray. You listen to obey instructions. Carefully that you manage perform each task within the allotted time. You were able to prepare your dining room, restaurant, or gas area. Welcome guests and take your food and beverage orders. Promote food and beverage products. Provide food and beverage service to guests. Provide room service. Receive and handle guest concern. Which I am glad that you still manage. Before the given time, I have a quick observed that we are nervous during the oral questioning. Not less, you have achieved the required ones. Score your written exam because of those who have a complaint within the standard requirement. For the qualification, kindly sign the competency. Assessment result summary indicating that you have accepted the result of this assessment. Thank you. Please produce to waiting area and wait for cars. Listening. Okay, candidate number 2, Mary Rose. Based your demonstration, I have the really know that proper way of the dining tax of the written. Test. It also good, however, and the troubles and the give me tax based on your result of my observation. You did not perform the tax with the standard requirement of the qualifications. But don't worry. You can assess again. Just practice more the tax that you need to improve. And we are ready. Just continue in the assessment center for the next schedule. And don't worry, we will only be the resist of the part of the activity that you need not complete successfully. Kindly sign the competency result summary indicating the accepted the result of this assessment. Please produce the waiting area and wait cars of whistling. Sign of cars above. Candidate, please come here. Inside, I will be demonstrating the evaluation form. So, answer the items for evaluate. Miss Assessor, as a basis improving a performance done now, kindly submit forward. Thank you. Submit to CAP the docs. Miss Melrose, CIC Manager, out the 10 candidates, 9 competent and not yet competent. Here are the documents of your calling and the signature. Thank you. Return with cards tab. Distribute candidates I have submitted and the assessment result the center. Manager, your cards will be given later for the those competent. You may claim your national certificate of the TESDA. Provincial office after 5 working days. Bring with your cards passport, just size picture in the white background and a colored shirt and 50 pesos for the certifications. Okay, I'm done. Thank you and have a nice